Hi, I'm Jonica. I'm a member of the dual enrollment team at Prince George's Community College. Thank you for checking out our page, which will highlight the who, what, when, where, why, and how of college and high school. We have so much in store for you. So make sure you subscribe and like our page so you don't miss all of this good and free information. The Dual Enroll site is an online platform used for PGCPS students to apply for dual enrollment participation. The site is only available during PGCPS Dual Enrollment registration periods. PGCPS students will receive an email with the website link. All PGCPS students eligible for dual enrollment will need to apply through this site. Use your personal email to ensure you do not miss any updates from do-not-reply@dualenroll.com. PGCPS has blockers prohibiting certain email addresses to send you information for safety reasons. Read through all the directions. Make sure you are checking the site regularly to follow your status. Approvals are processed within 72 hours. Apply early. Have a question? Send your dual enrollment representative a message using the Contact Us link available via the PGCC High School webpage. Thanks for watching College and High School. If you like what you saw or heard, the best gifts really are free. Go ahead and click subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel. Until next time.